Hi everyone, Wendy here from Wendy's Crafting. I'm an independent stamp-and demonstrator living in Narberth, Pembrokeshire, Wales. Now today I'm doing another card for Jess. Right, now we're going to do a bit of masking. Now then you've got your card. Now don't fold this straight away. We'll leave it open for a little bit. And you see where the line is down the middle of? We'll just put... Hang on, let me get this straight on you first. Right. Feel of the line and just stick a little bit of, well, put a piece of paper down and then stick it onto whatever cushion you're using. What I do is as soon as I find the other half of this, I'll send you it, okay? Now we're also wanting to tape across there because we don't want this middle bit to be taped, to be patterned on it. I mean, oh dear me. So now then, I was thinking we could use this word happy days, okay? So what we do then is we go like that. Right, I want the word happy, and you then cut your, I don't know whether you use a post-it note or whether I gave you any of this, but just cut one about the same size as that, and then we're going to decide where we want it. Take the cover off it first. Do you know, I always get this confused. I always think that this is a sticky bit. Nope, this is a sticky bit. Right, I think with happy, we want it just down for the middle a bit. We don't really like doing things too central, do we? Right, here we are. We're going to stick as sort of, I don't know whether that's straight or not, but it doesn't worry me. Now then, we've got three colours. We've got green, yellowy, orangey colour, and a purpley colour. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open these, and I'm going to put them, can you see that? Yeah. Purple, a yellowy orange, and a green. Now I think you've got old olive green, where you can use that. Now what I'll do is I'll use my old olive as well. Here we go, my old, oh, sorry. As soon as I go and get any ink out of there, it starts wobbling. So I'm using the old olive as well, okay? Right, now then, what we want to do now is, where's my cloth gone? Oh, there it is. It was hiding. Now, I don't want too big a flower for here, okay? And with these stamps, they don't stamp completely. I don't know whether you can see on here, there's little patches that haven't got any whatever pattern on them, so they will stamp. Ah, no, there we are. See, can you see that? You see there in the corners here, there's no ink there, so let me stamp this off to check. It's always worth checking how your stamp goes, especially. Oh, phew! I thought that was going to go wonky. Right, so we've got the orange and yellow, and we're not doing a lot. We have to move them up a bit now. 1, 2, 3. There we are. Now I'll take that off. Now what I've got by the side of me today, I've got a cloth rather than my my shabby. So there's those three. Now then, which was, oh, that's what I forgot to tell everybody. We use the Pretty Perennials stamp set. There's loads of beautiful stamps here. Lovely words as well. So this is the one I'm using. And what I tend to do is I tend to buy an extra one so that Jess can work alongside me. Thank you, my lovely. Right, now then, let's go for this funny little, whatever it's called. Oh, it'll fit on that one. Now, so I've done the orange. Now let's try the purple. Was that bit of paper gone? Yeah, that's okay. Right. I'm going to dot this, that side. Oh, that was nearly a blooper, wasn't it? Maybe I best move that out of the way for now. I felt all funny doing that. Now, you don't need to worry about going over here because that won't go onto the cards. It'll be, they'll be hanging off the edge somewhere. Also, protect your stamping mat as well. Right, Wendy, less talking, more action. Oops, happy who's sticking to me. Yes, I'm going to leave it there for that. Now then, put that one back where it belongs. And let's see if I can find a smaller one. Little titty one. Now then. Oh, is the red gone? Oh, I didn't have a red, did I? Okay. We got Melon Mambo. Oh, there it goes again. I think that'll have to be repositioned somewhere, I think that does. Right, so we're using this tiny little one. We put it that way around. And we're going to put some Melon Mambo. And we're going to put it in the middle. There we go. That isn't working out very well because I can't see it properly. Right. Because flowers have got this little bit in the middle, haven't they? There we go. Now then, I want to put some green on there as well somewhere. Oh, that was that one. Now what I'll do is I shall use. This is another thing you could do is have a look and oh yeah, now that fits well there, doesn't it? So that's what it's going to be. Now don't worry if your stamps don't come up clean. That's not a problem because the red inks do tend to stain the stamps, but doesn't make them less workable. They're fine. One up the top here. Yeah, I think that's enough for that. Right. You know, you see, I've just washed that and it's red. But like I said, it doesn't stop you stamping. It just looks different. And then I've got this one, which, as you can see there, Jess, my love, it's going to be too big to fit that one on there. So I might try this one, this little diddy one. What's this one? No, I'll use the I'll use these for now, the little leaves. And we're going to the old olive. And just stamp them all around. Make sure you check your block because you don't want any yuck written on them, on the card. Now that you've done such a good job so far. Now, some of my friends, Jess, have been asking to see one of your cards. So maybe one day you can send somebody over with one of your cards so I can show it to everybody because they really are enjoying this and they like to see me working along with you. Right, so that filled those little gaps up, you see. I didn't want to crowd it out, because if I'd put another one there, that would have been too crowdy. So I'm just going to leave it like that, leave it nice and simple. Right, now then I will shut these, because I am prone to making a mess with them. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the orange, not the orange, the purple one, the Fresh Freesia. Now then, the great unveil, as they say. Ooh, I don't know why I do that, silly, I know, but there we are. Right, now then I'm going to get the long block. What block is this? Oh, it's an eye block. I'm going to, yeah, see? Can you see what I'm looking at now? So that doesn't look too bad there, does it? No. Right, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to stamp off because I haven't used this stamp yet. Ah, that looks okay, doesn't it? Yay! Jamie, look at this block, it gets such a mess. And that bit can go to the bin. Right, now then, the only other thing, we've got to make sure it's the right way up. So if you've got a piece of paper to the side, then just stamp it off there. So then we're going to do this. And just keep it there. Don't press it down too hard and try not to rock it. Just keep it there for a little bit. Make sure that all the ink has gone into the cards. And there we go. Take that off, take that off. You've got to leave it dry now as well, okay? So don't do this straight away like I've done, because I've been a ninny doing it like that. I should have left it as well, but yeah, just fold it in. And there we go, my darling. There's another lovely little colourful card that you can make. Now, don't forget, use the colours that you've got. You don't have to have a purple and an orange or whatever. Just use the colours you got. Look forward to seeing that from you, Jess. I'll see you again soon. Bye, darling.